Census data shows there's an increasing number of new homes available for sale. It includes homes that are under construction, soon to be completed, and fully built. As the graph highlights below, the supply of new homes has grown over this last year. When building a new home, you can create your perfect living space and customize it to your lifestyle. That could mean everything from requesting energy efficient options to specific design features. Plus, you'll have the benefit of all new appliances, windows, roofing, and more. These can all help you lower your energy costs, which can add up to significant savings over time. The lower maintenance that comes with a newer home is another great advantage. When you have a new home, you likely won't have as many little repairs to tackle. Little leaky faucets, shutters to paint, and other odd jobs around the house. And with new construction, you'll also have a warranty that may cover portions of your investment for the first few years. I'll help you think through all the pros and cons of building a new home.